Ma'am, today I will not open my camera due to work problem.
Why, beta? What is the problem?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. What is the problem?
Good morning,
now?
ma'am.
Ouch.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning to everyone.
Ma'am, I cannot open my camera due to network problem.
Because of network issue.
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. So less students have joined. So I think we should wait for others.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Who all cannot open their cameras today? Tell me. New chapter. What did we do yesterday?
And we have done. Then we start on new chapter domains of Earth, and you tell us about the all sphere.
So it is not. It's not new anymore. It's not new anymore. We have already done difficult words, and I gave a brief introduction about the chapter, what it means, what the 4 domains are.
Ma'am, today we will read the chapter.
We will start with the explanation of the chapter.
Morning.
We will read
Good
the
morning,
chapter
ma'am.
and start with the explanation. Very nice, Yashmit. Good work. Okay, everybody. Yes, Raina.
And what we will doing?
What we will do chapter reading, and I am going to explain you the chapter.
Ma'am, today we not do key points.
We will do key points after this chapter explanation.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
It will be a reading class today. All of you will get your turns to read, and then I will explain you.
Ma'am,
Who is Bhanupriya?
ma'am, today we will only do reading and explanation.
Yes, only reading and explanation.
Ma'am, it is Rakshita.
It is Akshada. Akshada has renamed herself as Bhanupriya. Okay, Kunal, Samarth, Akhya, Bhavya, Arav, Raina, all of you open your cameras. Who will start reading the chapter? Varshita is absent today. Varshita hasn't joined.
Ma'am, I want to start the reading of the chapter, Shaurya.
Everybody will read.
Can I, Bhavya?
Everybody will. Bhavya, I will give turn to everyone, beta. Don't worry.
Ma'am, tomorrow is my birthday.
Oh yes, Shobit Gupta, tomorrow is your birthday. 24th of June.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my bigger brothers and my...
Your elder brother? What? Your elder brother?
My brother and my... Ma'am, my brother birthday and my...
Okay, today is your brother's birthday and tomorrow is your birthday. Very nice.
An online party.
Yes, we'll have online party. We'll have online birthday song. Okay. Ouch, what is this?
Ma'am, what is the age of Shobit?
Children, something went wrong with my laptop. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But I cannot. Can you see me also?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
My
Yes, ma'am,
screen
I
is gone. My Zoom screen is gone. I don't know what is wrong.
Ma'am,
And my cursor is also not moving. Yes?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I also have a laptop and I am doing classes on it where the time is written and there a little space is there that is actually a button which is show desktop screen.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if you are on there, so please move your mouse.
Beta, my mouse is not moving. My laptop, I think. is I forgot what is wrong. I
Ma'am,
can't
I
do
think
anything. My
that was
cursor is not moving.
responding.
What?
I feel like your network is poor.
No, network is not poor.
Ma'am, I think
My laptop has hung. It's hanging.
Ma'am, I think, ma'am,
Yes.
my laptop. Ma'am, it means, ma'am, anybody is hacking your laptop.
Someone has hacked my laptop.
true.
This is not true.
Wait, let me try. Oh yes, now
in this chunk. Ma'am, and ma'am, also the hacking is stopped.
what has stopped? Recording has stopped.
No, ma'am, recording is started.
Recording is not stopped. No, ma'am, hacking has stopped.
Hacking is stopped. Now I can see all of you, but my mouse is not moving. I can't do anything.
Ma'am, I can tell.
You can use ma'am, you can use the options by cursor key.
Ma'am,
Beta, how do we do it? I don't know. I don't know how it is done.
Ma'am, where arrows are vacant, you can use their arrows. Ma'am, I know one thing that
My little geniuses, huh? Genius
ma'am, you
student.
can take your mice on the table, because if sometimes on mouse pad it hangs.
Excuse me,
Yes.
I want to ask Robit a question.
Ma'am, you can.
Excuse me, ma'am. I want to say something, please. Yes, Varshita, you say something.
Ma'am, I joined late, so can you tell me what we are doing?
Nothing is being done, beta. Children are trying to fix my laptop.
Excuse me.
Yes, now it's fixed. Okay. Thank you, children.
Excuse me.
Little technicians, you worked out for me.
Ma'am,
Now let's begin our class.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Okay.
Ma'am, I want to
Who
ask.
is going to read first? Who is Arhan HP? Arhan HP will read first.
Ma'am, it's Arhan Yadav.
What do you mean by HP, beta? Hindustan Petroleum?
No, ma'am.
Yes, what is HP?
Ma'am, I am using HP laptop. So
I can't hear
this laptop
Arhan. Your microphone is not working.
Ma'am, I think he is saying
Okay.
that.
Any other student with letter A? Ayushman Saxena is going to read. Start reading the chapter.
Ma'am, my name is from A. Ma'am, may I read first?
Excuse me.
Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Arhan, beta, children, could you hear Arhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now speak, beta. Arhan, now start reading. I think something went wrong in my laptop only.
Ma'am, Arhan was saying that HP means that his laptop name is HP, so it is written
Oh,
HP.
Arhan HP.
Ma'am, it's laptop company. And the laptop company is HP, and the SO is written HP.
So from today, I will write my name as Neha Lenovo. What are you going to write?
Ma'am, your laptop is Lenovo.
Yes, so I'll write Neha Lenovo.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I read someone?
Okay, beta. Enough of fun time, huh?
My laptop's company is Sony.
Okay. So Anika Soni. Anika Soni, start reading. Your name also starts with A.
Dell.
Dell, Raina Dell. Very nice name. Smart name, Raina Dell. Wow.
And ma'am, Yashmit Dell also.
Yashmit
My
Dell.
laptop.
Good.
Ma'am, my desktop is also Dell.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay.
Oh, I am also written my name, Chovi Gupta. I will see is also Dell.
Now good, beta. Very nice. Now let's start with Arhan HP. And then
is also Dell.
very good. Bhavya has renamed himself as Bhavya SRI Dell. Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, I have really have a laptop.
Yes, ma'am, I also.
Okay, Varshita is apple. So now
but
from today, Varshita apple, your turn will come in the end because your name starts with V letter. Maybe you will get your turn tomorrow to read. Okay, children, enough. Now let's begin. Let's begin with Arhan HP. Beta, start reading.
Ma'am, from where?
From where? From the beginning. Chapter 5, Domains of the Earth.
Domains of the Earth. The Earth can be divided into 4 main domains or
No,
areas.
let's learn about. What are we going to learn in this chapter? First read that.
Okay, ma'am. Let's learn about the 4 domains of the Earth's lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. The layers of the Earth. Domains of the Earth. The Earth can be divided into 4 main domains or areas. Each domain has its own characteristics and its importance. They are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Lithosphere. The land masses or solid portion of the earth can be lithosphere. The earth is made up of 4 layers. The surface on which we live is called the crust. It is made up of soil, rocks, and other solid particles. The layer that lies below the ocean beds and contains it's the mantle. The layer is thicker than the crust.
All right,
and
beta,
it's made
wait,
up of
just wait.
magma.
I am not being able to find out my PDF of this chapter. I am looking for the same. Okay, now I got it.
Ma'am, can I send the PDF?
Yes. No, beta, I found it now. So what, like I told you yesterday, what we mean by domains? Domains are different areas. Now in this chapter, we are going to learn about different areas of the earth. What do we mean by different areas? Like we have, yes?
Ma'am, like the how Earth is made, in domains of the Earth is given inner core, inner.
Okay, wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this earth it has got different areas like land, like air, water. These are what? These are all different areas of the earth, isn't it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the area where we live. Where do human beings live? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
On land. Human
On
beings
land.
live
And ma'am,
on land.
The
Have you
70%
seen?
of Earth is covered with water, and ma'am, the 30% is land.
Yes. Human beings live on land. Have you seen human beings in the air, flying in the air? No. Have you seen human beings living in the water? No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Beta, aeroplanes fly in the air, but do aeroplanes permanently stay in the air? No, they don't.
When we
Right?
movement in the air. Because back they need petrol for.
They need petrol. Aeroplanes are only used for transport. They are used as a means of transport. That's all. Now, even water is used as a means of transport. People sail by ships, isn't it? By submarines. So it's about
Yes,
living. Where do human beings permanently live? They live on land. Now, what is this land related to? We will learn about 4 domains in this chapter. Land is related to which domain? Land comes under which domain? It comes under lithosphere. Now, what is this lithosphere? Lithosphere is land masses and solid portions. What is lithosphere? Everybody say.
Landmarks and solid portions.
Yes, the land masses and the solid portions of the earth, They form the lithosphere. Now, very good. The earth also, the earth that we live in, it has got 4 layers. How many layers are there? Can you see this diagram that is given on page number 32? Layers of the earth.
Ma'am, 5 layers.
Yes.
Ma'am,
We have
5
5 layers. Okay. Now, what are those 5 layers? On earth, the layer that be quiet. Bhavya, be quiet.
Upper mantle
The
crust.
layer that we live on is called the crust. Where do we live? We live on the layer known as the crust. What is this crust made up of? What is the crust made of? Just read out in the book. Underline that line.
And the crust is soil, rocks, and other
solid particles. The crust is made up of
nickel.
No, not iron and nickel. Iron and nickel is another layer of the earth. The core is made up of iron and nickel, beta. The crust that we live on is the solid portion. It is made up of soil. It is made up of rocks. What do you walk on? Do you walk on iron and nickel, Arav Gupta? What do we walk on? We walk on the solid portion, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So where we live on which layer of the earth? We live on the crust. What is the crust made up of? What is the crust made up of?
soil, rocks, and other solid particles.
Very nice. Very nice. Now, after the crust, now listen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to highlight it is made up of soil, rock, and other solid particles.
Yes. You have
Ma'am,
to.
can I highlight it?
Yes, beta, you can highlight it. You can highlight it. Now listen. After the crust, when we move on to the oceans, now the layer that comes under the oceans and the continents. There is a layer, there is a limit at which oceans and continents end. The depth. What is that layer called? The layer under these ocean beds and continents is called mantle. It is called the mantle. And what is this mantle made of? This mantle is made of magma. What is the mantle made of? Magma. Now, see, if I ask you which layer comes after the crust, what will you answer?
Ma'am, upper mantle.
Yes, upper mantle and the lower mantle. Now, as we move inwards, after mantle, which layer comes? There comes the outer core of the earth. Now, core is what? Core is the center part of the earth. It is also the hottest part of the earth. Life is not possible in the core of the earth. Is life possible? Life is only possible on which layer of the earth? I'm not asking which domain. It's possible in which domain. I'm asking on which layer of the earth life is possible. Yes. Very good. Very nice, Jasrina. It is possible on the crust. Yes, Akshada.
Ma'am, we also have to underline that how mantle is made up of.
What mantle is made up of? Yes, mantle is made up of magma. It is very, children, see, it is very easy to learn it. Mantle, M for mantle, M for magma. Mantle is made up of magma. L for lithosphere, L for land masses. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere is land, the solid portions of land or the land masses. Is that clear? Then, after this magma comes the core. Core is the central part of the earth. It is the central part of the lithosphere, or we can say the earth. Core is now, this core is made up of iron and nickel. Have you ever been to the core of the earth? Have you been?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. We don't know it is made up of. We have only seen the land where we walk on, isn't it?
Ma'am,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is nickel?
What, beta?
Ma'am, the core is divided into 2 layers.
Ma'am,
Yes, the core is also divided into 2 layers, the outer core and the inner core.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of nickel?
The meaning of
Ma'am, nickel.
nickel is also a metal, beta, like iron is, like what iron is, nickel is also a metal.
Okay, ma'am. The core is the hottest part of
Yes.
the earth.
Now core is the hottest part of the earth. Next, let's read hydrosphere. Now, who will read hydrosphere? Where's that girl? No, I called out somebody's name. Let me just see who that student was. Her name started with A. After Arhan, I took somebody's name. Who that girl was?
Anika.
Anika, are you there? Anika Verma is there in the class? No, Anika is not there. Only her name is there. Okay. Next, we'll have Ayushman Saxena. Start reading.
Okay, ma'am. The word hydro means water. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. The hydrosphere consists of all the water bodies found on the surface of the earth. It includes water bodies such as ocean, sea, river, lakes, and ponds. Water is also found below the ground as
Ma'am, I cannot hear.
wells and
Ma'am, I cannot hear. Just read our hours.
What, beta? You can? Wait. Complete this paragraph.
Water exists in all the 3 states: in natural, solid, liquid, and
In
gaseous.
nature, beta, in nature, not natural.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. The water that we get from sea, ocean, river, and lakes is the liquid form. Water as a gas is seen in nature as fog. When water is nature cools down and freeze and turn into glaciers, ice caps, icebergs. This is the solid form of water.
Okay. Now, what do we mean by hydrosphere? Hydrosphere is related to which part of the earth? It is related to
water.
It is related to water. Very nice. Now, where do we see water? Where do we see water on the earth? What kind of water bodies?
Ponds, rivers, oceans, and ponds.
River
Yes.
and lake and pond.
Oceans, rivers, seas, lakes, ponds, etc. And in what state do you find water in these water bodies? How is water seen?
Solid, liquid, and gas.
No, in these, do you see in lakes and ponds? In lakes and ponds, how it is seen? It is seen in the liquid state. How it is seen? It is seen in the liquid state. Now, water is also found below the ground. Now, what is that water called? The water found below the ground. What is that water called?
Groundwater.
Underground water. It is called the underground water. We see underground, yes.
That water is not drinkable.
Water is underground water.
Yes, water found under the below the ground is underground water, and it is seen in.
But ma'am,
Yes.
that water is not drinkable.
Okay, beta. Okay. Even the water in oceans and seas is not drinkable because it is salty water. What is it?
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
salty water. That is not drinkable. Then, what do we see? Now, what is underground water found in? It is found in wells and aquifers. Underground water is seen in wells and aquifers. There we see underground water. Now, what is water? What are the three states of water? Water can be seen in how many states?
Solid, liquid, and
And gas.
solid, liquid,
Water
and
can
gas.
be, yes, very good. It can be seen in three states. Now, when this water turns into, how does it turn into solid? What kind of water can be seen in the solid state?
By freezing.
By freezing.
Condensation.
Now, children, do you go and freeze this water? Do you go and freeze this water?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, it happens
Because it is in the
naturally.
form of gas.
Yeah, it happens naturally in nature, isn't it? How does it happen? It happens naturally. The water changes into glaciers. It turns into icebergs. So we don't do this work. How it is done? It is done in the nature only. It is done by itself. So solid form of water is seen in glaciers and ice caps or icebergs. Correct? Now how do you see the gaseous state of water?
Ma'am, what?
How is water seen in the third state? That is the gaseous state.
If we put some water in the sun, ma'am, if we put some water in the front of the sun, the water will change in evaporation.
But how does it occur in nature? In nature, do you do this work?
Water vapor.
By the sun, I think.
Water vapor.
Yes.
Water vapor.
Yes, in clouds and fog. Water is seen as clouds and fogs in the gaseous state. It naturally happens in the nature. Now, how does this water change its state in nature? That we are going to study. This water, sometimes it changes into gaseous state, sometimes it changes into liquid state, then it becomes the solid state in nature. The process it goes through in the natural form to change its state is called the water cycle. What is it called? Have you studied the food chain, the food cycle in the nature that takes place on its own? Yes,
ma'am.
Similarly, we have water cycle also. Now the water cycle, what is water cycle? It is the process through which water changes its form in nature. Let's study what it is. Who will read now? It's Akhya Goyal's turn. Akhya Goyal is there in class?
Yes, ma'am.
Read it, beta.
Water
So now
cycle.
Bhavya will not read. Now Bhavya will not read. Yes, Akhya, start reading.
The process through which water changes its forms in nature is known as the water cycle. When the sun rays
Everybody
reach Earth,
underline this line. What is water cycle?
when the sun rays heat up, the water in lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans. The water evaporates to form water vapor. The water vapor rises and as it comes in contact with cool air, it changes into tiny drops of water and form clouds. This is called condensation. When the cloud become too heavy, the drop of water fall down as rain or snow. This is known as precipitation. Precipitation.
Okay, very nice. Now what happens, children? Everybody look at the diagram given here. Can you see the diagram, all of you? Now, when the sun rays, when the sun heats these water bodies, what happens is the water from the ponds, lakes, and oceans, rivers, it starts evaporating and it forms water vapors. Now, when these vapors rise up, they come in contact with the cool air. What happens? They come in contact with the cool air. And then these tiny drops of water, they form clouds. What do they form? They form clouds. And this process is called condensation. The cooling of water vapors is called condensation. What happens? The clouds are formed. Then after these clouds are formed, when these clouds become too heavy, what happens? It starts to rain. It either rains in the liquid form or sometimes it is, you have seen snowfall, it rains as snow. This snow is what? This is the solid form of water. Right? This is the solid form. Why are these children raising their hands? Tell me.
Ma'am.
Yes. Jaskaran.
Ma'am, can you tell in which page number we are? Ma'am, I have gone somewhere.
We are on page number 33, beta. 33, water cycle.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Shobit, why are you raising your hand?
Ma'am, I want to, ma'am.
Yes, Shobit.
Ma'am, I am
Can I
writing.
read Summer?
Okay, Summer, you say.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
Summer wants to say something.
a hydrosphere is important as the supports life on Earth.
Summer, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Ma'am, I am reading.
Did I tell you to read? Are we reading like this? We are reading roll number wise, beta.
ma'am,
You want to ask anything? The children who have raised their hands, they want to ask something?
yes, ma'am. Ask something.
Yes, Mokshit, say. Ask.
Ma'am, what are icebergs?
Beta, icebergs. Now see, these icebergs are formed by cooling down of water. When the temperature goes very low, what happens is the sea is the water bodies, the ice gets freezed there. Sorry, the water gets freezed. And the water on the surface of those water bodies is called the iceberg. You want me to show you pictures? You want me to show you picture of iceberg?
Yes, ma'am.
I want to ask something.
Okay,
Yes,
wait.
ma'am.
Yes, ask, beta, ask.
Ma'am, when the clouds become heavy, they drops rain and ma'am snow.
Yes. Either the water comes down, it rains in the form of water or it rains in the form of snow, depending on the temperature.
It is also called snowfall.
Yes, it is also called snowfall.
Yes, ma'am.
This process is also called precipitation.
Yes, very nice, very good. Now wait, I'll just share screen with all of you.
I want to say something.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I was disconnected because my device was switched off.
Ma'am,
So, ma'am, I have joined from my other device.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes, yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, I am asking that when it's rainy, that means every cloud is heavy.
Cloud is heavy. What?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you said that when the clouds are. Ma'am, you
What?
said that when the clouds. Ma'am,
Wait, beta, wait. I can't understand what you are asking. I have now taken out the picture. I'll just share the screen. Now see.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I was disconnected because my device was switched off. Ma'am, I have joined from my another device.
Can you see any screen?
No, ma'am.
No, even I
Ma'am,
cannot.
it is loading.
Even I cannot. Just wait.
Ma'am, loading. Ma'am,
Now we can
now I
see.
can see. Ma'am, now I can see.
But where is the picture?
Now
See, now these are icebergs. Can you see? What are these? These are icebergs.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can see. Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Now what happens? The surface of the water has got frozen up. In the picture above, can you see? And it has turned into ice.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Now see, these icebergs, now icebergs can be of different types. Sometimes these icebergs can be flat like how it is being seen in the first picture. Sometimes it is like a mountain. Can you see in the pictures below? It can be in any form.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it can be like a chunk of ice. What is it? It is like a chunk of ice. It's like a, yes?
Titanic.
Yes, you have seen this in movie Titanic. Very nice.
Titanic.
These are different types of icebergs. Now, anything else you want to see? You are not aware of something and you want to see?
No, ma'am, I'm aware.
Ma'am,
Icebergs. Let's also see glaciers. What are glaciers? You know what is glaciers?
icebergs are
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. They are the ma'am. They are the melting. They are the they are the mountains that are covered with ice which melts and waterfalls.
What are these? Now these are glaciers.
Ma'am, I also want to see that aquifer.
Aquifers. Okay, very nice, Peter. Very nice. We'll see aquifers now. What are aquifers?
Ma'am, what is caption?
What is?
Captions. Ma'am, by mistake I have gone on settings, so ma'am, I can see one caption.
What I'm showing you? Want to know that what I'm showing you?
No, ma'am. Do you know, ma'am? By mistake I have come on settings, so.
and what is this?
These are aquifers. Now we studied about underground water. We studied about the underground water. Water is also found below the surface of below the surface of the earth. These are aquifers. It is found in the form of wells and aquifers.
Ma'am, please zoom your picture.
Everyone has seen what aquifers are?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anything else you want to say, children?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Stop share now.
No.
Okay, children, just wait. The class is about to get over and I haven't shared the link for the next class. Just give me a minute. Yes, then
The next class is, ma'am, the next
class
class
is
is
over.
Sangeeta ma'am's class. The next class is Sangeeta ma'am's
I know, beta, I know you have Sangeeta ma'am's class, but I also have a class in some other section. Yes.
Please see. I don't understand this diagram.